Time to make some pancakes. Alright, let's get some orange juice. Yeah. Some butter. Ooh, cream. It's always good. And syrup. Yep, that's how to do it. Pancakes. Now to top it all off, just add some cream. Yeah. Now that's a breakfast. Mm.